This is a tutorial video on how to use the remote port on the Imperium. The remote port can be found on the front of the system under the umbilical disconnect. Plug the supplied USB A to B cable into the remote port as shown. Now, we can use any serial port terminal application to communicate with the system. Ironwood Electronics recommends the application CoolTerm. Once an application has been downloaded, run the terminal application to open it. Now, open the device manager to see which COM port the system is accessing. With the device manager open, plug the other end of the USB A to B cable into your computer and watch to see which port gets added to the list. Here we can see that the Imperium is accessing COM port 11. Now we can close out of the device manager and return to the serial terminal. Select the Options, Settings, or Configure tab on the serial terminal. Rescan serial ports if necessary and select the COM port observed in the device manager. Set the baud rate to 115,200 and leave the rest of the options at default. Now select the Connect option to connect to the Imperium. If you press a random key on your keyboard, you will see a message displayed from the Imperium. If you do not see a message displayed, disconnect from the terminal, turn the system off and on, and reconnect to the terminal. To send a command to the system, select the Connection drop-down and then select Send String. Now, the user can enter Imperium-supported commands. The output is being displayed on the serial monitor. A full list of Imperium-supported commands can be found in the user manual.